Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in the UK. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a step-by-step approach to purchasing Bitcoin safely and securely. First, you need to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be downloaded from the respective app stores. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and back up your seed phrase. The seed phrase is a list of words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store the seed phrase in a safe and secure location. After setting up your wallet, you need to add Bitcoin to your wallet. To do this, click on the Receive button and select Bitcoin. You will be given a unique Bitcoin address that you can use to receive Bitcoin. Next, you need to find a reputable exchange or broker where you can buy Bitcoin. There are several options available in the UK, including Coinbase, Binance, and eToro. Choose an exchange that is regulated and has a good reputation. Once you have chosen an exchange, create an account and verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your exchange account using a bank transfer or debit card. After depositing funds, navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section of the exchange and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. The exchange will provide you with the current market price of Bitcoin and any applicable fees. When you are ready to make the purchase, click on the Buy button and confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin will be sent to your Trust Wallet address, and you can view your balance in the app. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin is a high-risk investment, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, make sure to keep your wallet and exchange accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in the UK is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can safely and securely purchase Bitcoin and store it in your Trust Wallet. Always remember to do your own research and stay up to date with the latest market trends and regulations.